Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going in and talking about syrup gels. Now, we've all seen those stunning sheer colors that a lot of these Korean gel brands have, but if you're like me, you might wonder, how do you even use these gels to create nail art? Today's video, I'm going to show you a marble nail design using a couple of syrup gels from Marie Atelier. I might make this a series so you can see how these syrup gels can help you with your nail game. With Marie Atelier's collection, they offer 40 syrup gels, and I'm going to be using 2 of them. Now, Marie Atelier's syrup gels, they are more sheer than a lot of the syrup gels that I've used. But that's what makes them great, because you can layer these to make it more opaque. When it comes to syrup gel, we want to be careful not to be heavy-handed, because when the gels are this sheer, we might want to brush on a big size of gel, and that's not what we want. Just remember that these gels are meant to be sheer, and they're best at being layered. The first color that I'm going to be using is a sheer muted blue, and it is in the number 29. As I'm laying down this gel color, I noticed that it was so sheer, and I was so tempted into just picking a bigger blob of gel and just dabbing it on, but I realized that less is more. Creating a perfect marble design is all about blending, and with these syrup colors, they do just that. They blend really well with each other, so that is why I'm starting in with the second color, and it's going to be in the number 38. And this is just going to bring a little bit more depth into my marble design. I just want to note that I am not curing any of these gels just yet. I'm making sure that they are wet enough to blend well with each other. Another detail about Marie Atelier's gels is that the viscosity of this is like a medium to thin, so it's really good for beginners to use this brand. By now, you'll notice how much I talk about layering when it comes to marble design. I'm going to be layering on some mylar flakes and then going in with a magnetic gel to create some design in the middle. When it comes to mylar flakes, I do use this little lamp. It presses down so that nothing is poking out. Adding a little bit of this magnetic gel is just going to create this focal point within my nail design. The next thing I'm going to be adding is a little bit of this F gel syrup color, and it is a reddish brown. This is just going to add a little bit of shadow and more depth to my nail design. Marie didn't have a syrup color in this nice dark brown, so I went ahead and used this F gel color. And if you haven't used some of F gel syrup colors, they are actually really pretty, and they are not as sheer as the Marie ones. Sometimes when I do use it, I do have to use a little bit of clear gel just to make it more sheer. Alright, we're circling back to the first 2 colors that we are using. So now I'm just going to go ahead and blend in the brown with my 2 blue colors. Just making sure that I'm spreading the brown color a little bit more, because I don't want too much brown, but I want enough just to add that depth. At this point, you just want to start moving and playing around with your gel before you cure anything. And once you do like the way that it is looking, of course, you want to go ahead and cure that. With so many layers on top of each other, I'm going in with a thicker top coat just to seal everything. I'm gonna go ahead and buff it a little bit just to smooth out anything that is poking out. And it's not a marble look if we don't add the little white veins to it. So of course I'm taking my Apres art inks and I'm just gonna, do some white veins, and there's no right or wrong way of doing this. I'm just gonna lay it down and then clean it up. There you have it, this beautiful marble nail design using all these sheer syrup colors from Marie Atelier. I'm loving how it turned out, but what do you think? Are you now getting more ideas on how to use syrup gels? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's tutorial, make sure you hit that thumbs up and of course subscribe for more. And until next time, stay beautiful. Bye.